Hey y'all, I'm back over here at Charlie's, my good buddy Charlie's house, and just gonna shoot a quickie. I know y'all are probably sick of seeing my green stickers, but I'm proud of them. So this is just stating that everything's cool here at Charlie's. Rochester's heating and air. Another one bites the dust. Alright, take care y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye. It's 40 something degrees here in Kentucky, but I had to fire this AC up. What do y'all think? Here's another inspector pitch. Let's pull in permits, fellas. Oh my God. Yeah, they can't actually get hold of the feller that installed this. I wonder why. Oh my God. Okay, let's seal her up here. There we go. It's tight. Okay.